Hello everyone, this is Harsh Kumar, roll number 3035, group A5P, IPE, and ID Jalandhar. Context of my discussion is engineering scenario in India. Just think how important engineering is. If engineers weren't there, I wouldn't be able to make this video, nor it could be edited, and also you wouldn't be able to see the video. In India, we produce 15 lakh engineers from more than 6,000 institutes every year. But are those 15,000 engineers doing these works? The answer is no. Because of the major portion of the engineers we produce every year, they are A. either unemployable, B. unemployed, or in worst case C. that is underemployed. So we'll be navigating through the problems with the help of the data collected on the basis of a short survey that we did on the NIT students specifically. And to our surprise, around 68% students agreed that they are doing engineering out of love and interest. The question is where actually the problem lies. See, students like engineering because they are excited to learn something new and they are fascinated by it. But the problem is that they are not getting the amount of practical knowledge that they need. Colleges are teaching more of theory, jobs are not available, and the most important problem is that syllabus is outdated. In today's time when the world is changing fast, evolving rapidly, with the introduction of AI, we are still lingering onto that 20, 30, 50 years old curriculum. We observe that majority of the students are not satisfied with the branches they are in, and that's quite reasonable because you see in the core branches like mechanical, civil, or IPE, either the companies are not there or the jobs are very limited, and moreover they are being offered a very nominal salary package, so they tend to incline towards tech domain. So even if a student is doing his majors in mechanical, he is just studying mechanical for the sake of getting a good CG and is devoting his majority of time in tech domain. Superficially, it doesn't seem problematic as such, but the core sector is suffering because of this tendency. There is a security considered in colleges these days that no matter from which branch you are, you just focus on the tech domain and some company will come and employ flocks of students. But you see what? That even this security is going to be vanished in the times to come, as automation is taking place of humans. For example, say in the years to come, the transactions will be completely digitalized. So say that a group of 500 techies is automating the system. So what will happen? These 500 techies take up the jobs of lakhs of security guards that were standing there on the gates of those ATMs. But you see, the matter of relief is that these problems can be easily mitigated if some set of solutions are put in place. So now I'll be coming on to the solutions of the problems that I have just discussed. So the first problem is that colleges are blooming up like mushrooms. For that, government has to step in and has to ensure that the implementation of policies is strict. And the second problem is that students are lacking practical skills. For that, curriculum can be designed in such a way that labs are given more importance than theory. Now, third problem, as we saw from the reports of Cognizant and LinkedIn, is that industries are saying that students are unemployable because they are underskilled. Now, for that, we can include industry-specific curriculum. For example, many triple ITs have now started a BTech degree course in smart manufacturing, which is actually a blend of mechanical, electronics, and computer science elements that is especially designed to cater the needs of Industry 2.0. So by doing this, we can ensure that right from the first year, students are studying or investing their time in only those things which will be beneficial to them when they go into the market. And fourth point is that we can also look positively towards new education policy, as it is saying that labs will be made mandatory, and it is also saying that more focus will be laid upon coding and vocational training right from the school age. So if these all solutions are really implemented on the ground, I can hope and I'm pretty sure that we'll see a change for the better, because we are standing at that point from where we can either shoot to glory as a global superpower in manufacturing sector, or we can just be a country with a huge liability of unemployed youth.